Happy Thursday. Today's Nearpod lesson is over fractions, adding fractions using a fraction bar. Okay, so if you see at the top, we have one whole. And then it just shows you that if you have 1/2 and 1/2, 2 halves equal one whole. And then it shows you that you have 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Well, if you add 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, you get one whole. Okay, if you have 4 1/4, you get one whole. 5 1/5, you get one whole. 6 1/6, you get one whole, and so on and so forth. So we're going to use this to add fractions. Okay, so the first question says, what is 2/8? I'm going to draw. I'll use yellow. I'll use black. Okay. What is 2/8? So I'm going to go circle 1/8 and 1/8. So now I have 2/8 plus 1/4. So now I'm going to go circle 1/4. Okay. So what is 2/8 plus 1/4? Well, I can draw a line here and see that 2/8 is equal to 1/4. So if I put these side by side, if I took this one and moved it right next to it, I would actually have it right here. Here's 1/4 and here's 2/8. 2/8 is equal to 1/4. So when I add 1/4 plus 2/8, I actually get 2/4. Okay, you see how 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4? Let's do another one. It says, what is 1/3 plus 4/6? Okay, well, let me circle 1/3. Okay, here's my 1/3. And now it says 4/6. So here's 1/6. Here's 2/6. Here's 3/6. And here's 4/6. All right, so I want to draw a line and I want to see what happens. What is 4/6? Oh, look at that. 4/6 is equal to 2/3. So 4/6 is equal, because I've got 1/3 here and 1/3 here, to 2/3. So when it says what is 1/3 plus 4/6, I could just add 1/3 plus 2/3. And that equals, when we're adding, we add the top, our denominator stays the same. That equals 3/3. Well, when I have 1, 2, 3/3, I also have one whole. So that would equal 3/3 or one whole. All right. Have fun with your Nearpod assignment and have a great Thursday.